All right, so what's going on, family? Today is the 17th of March, 2024. We're going to talk about this little bitty article right here, talking about how Activision Blizzard, their Twitter account was hacked to shield another Memecoin Solana crypto scam. It's not nothing new. This has been a prevalent feature in the cryptocurrency industry for a very long time, to where people try to imitate hacking people's accounts just so that they can get other people's crypto, thereby transforming it into currency, whether in their native currency, fiat currency, back into dollars, or placing it into another cryptocurrency project. But again, this goes all to the point of how you need to ensure that you are protected when you come into this cryptocurrency space, because there's no one that you can run to and ask for assistance and help once you actually hit these links, click on these links, and actually input your wallet address and give the money to these perpetrators. They try to grab these prominent accounts and hack them so that they can confuse people into thinking that this is a very legitimate project coming from a prominent business. So apparently it has to be correct. In today's time, you have to go a little bit deeper to ensure that what you are participating in, if it's actually coming from that business. This article was produced about 2 days ago. So look at this. The official Twitter account of the gaming giant Activision Blizzard, the publisher of Call of Duty and Diablo franchises, was exploited Thursday night and used to share on apparently unaffiliated Memecoin on Solana. Passing it off as an official token launch. So they're trying to pass it off because it came from this gaming giant, Activision Blizzard. Yeah, the ones who produce Call of Duty. So if they are trying to shield off of a prominent gaming platform Twitter account, then you might come to the realization, man, it got to be legit then. It has to be real, because they're a gaming giant. They have a brand recognition. They've created some very influential games that many people like to play. So if they're going to come out and shield or promote a cryptocurrency, then let me get on board. That is what these hackers were expecting from the Activision Blizzard community. Screenshots of since deleted tweets include an image of a gaming icon, Crash Bandicoot, which Activision owns, and claim to offer up an ATVI token created with Solana Labs. See, that is the cryptocurrency that they were trying to shield. ATVI, the main development team behind the Solana network. They also included a URL. Look at how far these hackers went into making themselves seem legit. They included a gaming icon that Activision owns. They also claimed to offer up the ATVI token created with Solana Labs. And then they also included a URL that points to listings for a Solana meme coin that can be traded on decentralized exchanges. The ATVI token is available on Solana, but it does not appear to have any connection to Activision Blizzard. So this seems to be like a coordinated effort between the hackers. They went through the steps of creating ATVI token, which is the ticker symbol for Activision Blizzard, so that it even causes more confusion, or at least more legitimacy to the hacker, to the hack. It is available on Solana, but Activision Blizzard is not promoting it. They have no connection to ATVI token, not even Solana Labs. Crypto tokens have been deployed by anyone on a decentralized network, and meme coins are often inspired by viral internet images, public figures, and companies. The scheme to pass ATVI off as an official Activision Blizzard token does not appear to have netted any victims. That's a very good thing. It seems to be no one was truly harmed. It didn't get enough footing, I guess, that the hackers suspected. It was caught quickly. And that's one of the biggest things about the community in cryptocurrency space. You have people who literally go through these Twitter accounts and do background research to see, okay, yeah, this is hacked. Don't put your money into this wallet address. Don't transfer any funds to this wallet address. Don't click on this link. So the community does appreciate all of the individual who goes out and tries to search for these hacked Twitter accounts. Now, according to data from Dex Screener, the token has seen a grand total of just $16,000 worth of trades across less than 500 transactions. That's very minimum, considering the gaming giant Activision Blizzard and their prominence and their brand being worldwide. And the price has crashed by 99.9% since a brief pump late Thursday. So here's a tweet right here that somebody did. They hacked Activision Blizzard. You will lose your money. Don't do this. We appreciate that individual who brought that out, because they possibly could have saved countless people, hundreds of people, maybe thousands of Activision clients, customers, people who respect the brand of Activision. He could have saved a lot of people from that. And then once the account was hacked, as always, the hacked account comes out and says, "Thank you for your patience. We have regained control of the ATVI_AB account. We take security seriously, and we plan to investigate what occurred to avoid situations such as these in the future." End quote. How did they get hacked? There's plenty of reasons, ways to see Twitter accounts, links, websites, social media content to get hacked. Many ways. It could be an inside job. It could be an outside job. It could be an employee clicking on a link, a phishing attempt on an email that they received. So I just wanted to bring that to your attention that this isn't the last one. It's going to continue to go on. This is going to be regular day business within the cryptocurrency market. Okay. So again, just want to reiterate, take care of yourself. Always understand that this is a situation that could impact your understanding as to what crypto is and what it's all about. Don't get swayed on these hacks that occur in the cryptocurrency space. Try to think positive. Always go and try to learn as much as possible about cryptocurrency and what people are trying to do and what can you do to ensure your safety when you try to give your currencies to other people. It's kind of like you have to think of yourself as a parent speaking to young kids. You know, you want to see what can I do to ensure that I'm safe when I come and involve myself in the cryptocurrency space. But you don't have to be nervous. You don't have to be scared. Just be aware. That's it. Just be aware and understand that there are criminals lurking about in these cryptocurrency streets. All right, cool. So now let's get back to Solana real quick. I wanted to do an update into our price prediction in Solana. Seemingly like the hackers like Solana, and apparently everybody else does too. There's a lot of people who like Solana because the price has gone crazy. Look at the current trend into the market in Solana. Here it is. We did a price prediction a couple of days ago, right here on the 12th of March, looking for the price to go up. It did just that. Cool. 19.59% there. If we were to get out the market now, in Solana, we're up 24, almost 27.5%. Boom. Let's go ahead and get rid of that. Okay. Now, let's get rid of this sell zone here. We're going to go ahead and get rid of this sell zone there because the price is above that area. The selling pressure at those two zones didn't stop the market buyers. So now we're knocking on the door of selling pressure around $200. That's why yesterday's trading action in Solana, we saw the market close down 1%. But the crazy part is those buyers are still in the market in Solana. So maybe this $200 sell zone won't impact the buyers again. That is how strong this particular market is in Solana. Here it is on the weekly chart. Again, you could just see how powerful this current trend is into the market in Solana. An indication of strength on that weekly bar. Another one. This is the third consecutive indication of strength off of the charts for Solana. Don't let people come in here and tell you that the charts don't tell you what's really going on, because it is. Now, is it just me? But does it look like Solana is trying to make all-time highs? It definitely looks like it, because if it can break above this sell zone around $200, then the next target will have to be nearing all-time highs off of this exchange, at least off of Binance exchange, trying to hit those all-time highs into the market. 2-weekly chart, very, very strong. It doesn't look like the market wants to end yet. Look at this on the 3-weekly chart. Solana on the 5 weeks. Here it is on the month. All of this strength is being seen on multiple time frames. Okay, so right now, the only contention, the only problem that I see is Solana getting rejected around $200. That is the place, that is the current issue that the buyers are trying to break. Okay, so you can see here that buyers are hitting the market in Solana right around here. That's a buy zone there. And here's another buy zone, because I'm still going to look for the market in Solana to go up. The trend hasn't been broken yet. The only way that we can see this transition over from being a bull market, from seeing price go up to seeing a price going down, is if these buyers cannot break these sellers in that zone. But given this last 330-minute bar, it looks like those buyers are trying to do it. They're trying to break and knock these sellers out the way around $200. Okay, so I'm actually finished. Let me go ahead and put this on the chart. Still looking for Solana to increase, going up to the upside. We're going to lower our buy zone down here around like 160. We don't want to see the market break below 160, because then we need to expect it to come to this next buy zone or this one around 120. So I'm just getting you all prepared for that if we see the price in Solana break this buy zone. Now, logically thinking, we have to understand that there's still a chance that the market won't break above $205. It's still there. Which is why if you see price in Solana trade within that sell zone, take some off the table. Congratulate yourself, because you called the market correctly. And then leave some on so that you can ride the wave to higher prices, like ride the wave to higher prices. Now, let's scroll this all the way back here to the left, because we need to create more sell zones. Then where do you think the next area of selling is going to occur in Solana? It's going to be right here for me. So I think it's trying to go. So that's going to be our next target. Okay. So that, even at the low of that sell zone, that's 21% move higher, $233. At the high of that sell zone, 240, that's 25.5% there. Boom. That's it. So now, let's see how strong the buyers are still at this sell zone, because if they do, it may be another big move to the upside to hit the second sell zone, which we've created. We'll just see though. Or it may be a daunting, long, drawn out, trying to push price above this sell zone just to hit the next one. But we'll see. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.